Are you struggling to lose weight after 40? What if I told you there's a scientifically proven way to not only shed stubborn pounds but also boost your energy, protect your heart, and even turn back the clock on aging? Hi, I'm Dr. Junaid, and today, we're cracking the code on intermittent fasting, specifically for women over 40. No gimmicks, just science. Intermittent fasting isn't just about skipping meals. When you fast, your body does something extraordinary. After 12 to 14 hours without food, your cells start fixing themselves. Scientists call this autophagy, your body's way of recycling old, damaged cells. Think of it like a spring cleaning for your insides. A 2023 study in Nature Aging found that women over 40 who fasted regularly saw a 30% drop in markers linked to aging. But here's the kicker: timing is everything. Do it wrong, and you might hurt your progress. Do it right, and your body becomes a fat-burning machine. After 40, hormones like insulin and estrogen start working against you. Insulin resistance creeps in, making weight loss feel impossible. But here's the good news. Intermittent fasting lowers insulin levels by up to 31% in women over 40, according to a Harvard study. Lower insulin means your body finally burns fat instead of storing it. You don't need to starve yourself. Here are 2 easy methods backed by science. The first method is 16/8 method, which is fast for 16 hours, like 8 p.m. to 12 p.m. Eat in an 8-hour window. A 2022 study found women lost 4.5 pounds in 6 weeks with this. The second method is Crescendo Method, which is fast 12 to 14 hours, 2 to 3 days a week. Perfect if you're new or have a hectic schedule. If you're ready to take charge of your health after 40, start small. Try the 12-hour Crescendo Method twice this week. Fast from 8 p.m. to 8 a.m. See how you feel. Your body is smarter than you think. And remember, intermittent fasting isn't for everyone. If you're pregnant, have diabetes, or a history of eating disorders, talk to your doctor first. Safety first, always. If you like the video, thumbs up for more evidence-based health content. Thank you.